Hi guys, today I want to share with you the best, easiest, fastest thing you can grow indoors over winter to keep fresh greens on your table. I'm growing speckled peas today, and all you got to do is take your pea seeds and soak them in water. You don't even really have to do this. I've done it without, and they've come up just the same in a matter of 3 or 4 days. But yeah, I'm soaking them today, see if it'll give them a head start. I'm using an old spinach container from the grocery store. You can use a regular grow tray, but there's actually just 2 of us in my home, and we feel like these are the perfect size for us. So you just want to take your soil and mix it around into a muddy consistency with some water. Not too soupy, not too dry, and when you're finished mixing, you can pat it down to get rid of some air bubbles and make it about a 1/2 inch or 1 inch thick. I really don't think you can have too much or too little. I think your peas are going to come up easily either way. So after that, you take your soaked seeds and you spread them over the soil surface and you pat them down, and spacing isn't even an issue. You're going to have tons of greens here and make the most of your space. After that, you cover it with a thin layer of soil, and then you can wet the soil. I'm spritzing it, but you can also have it pre-mixed and soaked like the mud before and just lay it on top. Take your container and put it in a dark location or just out of the way until it sprouts. And then you're going to want to move it to a sunny location, bright window, or under some grow lights. And you're going to have fresh greens in no time. This is my greens after a first cut. And after that, they're going to sprout back in another 2 or 3 days. You'll get multiple flushes, multiple harvests, and you'll be able to enjoy these delicious fresh greens on your pasta, your risotto, your soup, your sandwiches, whatever you like, and you can feel happy you're not spending dollars at the grocery store and you're growing right in your home. Thanks for watching.